Hello, kids! Welcome to Once Upon Live. Let's get ready for school together.
Good morning! Good morning!
We wake up early.
Time to brush! Brush, brush.
We brush our teeth and wash our face.
You eat this way. Wear your clean uniform. I look nice.
Clean clothes are important.
Eat your breakfast.
Healthy food makes us strong.
We eat breakfast before school.
Books check. Lunchbox check.
We pack our school bags.
Morning.
Wear your shoes.
We are ready.
Shoes on, smile on.
Have a great day.
Bye, Mama. Bye, Papa.
We go to school happily. Wake up, brush your teeth, eat breakfast, pack your bags, go to school. Good job, kids. See you next time on Once Upon Live.